Good morning, students. Hope you all are fit and fine. I hope you all are following all the rule regulation which should be followed in this pandemic period, isn't it? Maintain distance, don't go outside to play, obey your parents, and do your work on time. Today's topic in moral science is homework. You are getting to draw, color and name 5 God made things and 5 man made things. I am trying to explain you something, and according to this you will see and you will do by yourself all the things. Okay, some pictures I will show related to God made things. See, these are the God made things. God made these things beautiful by atmosphere. See, mountains, water bodies, these are mountains, water bodies, birds, animals, plants, sunshine, cloud. This is moon, because the star is here, so it is the night, but it is full moon night, so it is means a little bit clear. Okay, and all these things God made, and that's why this earth looks so beautiful, and everything is in comparison to each other. Everything is required in correct amount. See here, animals, human beings, all these things are plants, even insects, everything God has made on the earth. We people also make something, but see, more beautiful environment I will show you. See this, how much beautiful this is. And here the people are close to animals. Here see goat and some sheep, birds, human beings, and how closely they are related to nature. Here some new things, flowers are here, butterflies are here. These living things, all the living things are God made things, all of you know. Here flowers, bushes, this is the bunch of grapes, I think, tiger, butterfly. This dinosaur picture is also here. Here is the water bodies, here are palm trees, and all these things are made by God. And what you have to do in the homework, you have to draw, color and name 5 God made things. See this beautiful scenery of the creation of God. Here in this scenery looks more beautiful due to colorful flowers, isn't it? Colorful flowers and sunshine which is coming on these mountains. It is giving light is reflecting on the mountains. Here see small flowers, this greenery, this water bodies, and all these things make our world very beautiful. And how you will do? You will draw. Okay, suppose 5 God made things. I am see sun, how you will draw? Like this. In one picture also you can draw 5 God made things. Here is water body, sunshine, plant, some animals you can draw, butterfly. If there are flowers, that you can show butterfly also moving around the flowers, or birds flying in the sky. It is not very hard, my dear. You can make birds like this also flying in the sky. This is looking from a little far. So this will make your picture beautiful. Either you participate a page into 4 part. Wait 1 minute. Either you can make your page like this, draw 1, 2, 3, 4 picture, and 5 picture in next page, or you can take 1 page and in 1 page only you can draw 5 God made things. Here see, you can see this sun God has made, plant God has made, this water body is God made. Here you can draw 2 animals or 2 human beings also, 2 insects also, even butterfly, moth, all these things are God made things. So you can make these things. Now what is man made thing? See here, these things whatever people use, this cap, can, paper, rugs, this sofa, TV, boxes, ladders, cell phone, mugs, all these are human made things. Human beings make this in big factories. Okay, there are different places where these things are made by number of laborers, and number of other people also work there on the system, on the planning of the things made. Okay, and these are man-made things. But many things around us are made by man. They are called man-made things. Okay, the things which are made by man are called man-made things. All types of furniture. If you will look around at your home, your bed, your sofa, your chair, desks, all types of electronic devices, these are man-made things. So, like how I have explained you in the previous slide, like that only. See, either you can make this type of participation and make 5 things: computer, bag, clothes, chair, fan, house. This also you can make. If you find this house is very difficult to make, you can make hut very nicely. See, 2 line you will draw nicely. Don't use scale, otherwise it doesn't look like hut. Okay, like this. 1 window, or you can give 1 door here. Wait. You can give 1 door here. Bag you know nicely to draw. Any clothes you can draw. Chair, decks you can draw. You can draw your pencil pouch or pencil eraser, anything. These are man-made things. But while drawing, see, here are also many of the all types of vehicles, electronic gadgets I told. These are man-made things. Now see, you have to write 5 classroom rules also. There are many rules in the classroom. Teachers set these rules to keep the class in proper way, to maintain discipline in the class, and you will write 5 rules. I am showing you 5 rules, but it doesn't matter that you will write only these rules. Some more rules are there. Whenever we are going out of the class, you should walk in queue. So these rules are: see, raise your hand to maintain discipline. Right now also in the online classes also you are raising the hand. When you have to ask something or say something to your teacher, what you do? You raise your hand and your teacher unmute you, and then you ask or give answer or whatever you want to talk, or you are having problem, that you share with your teacher, isn't it? Same like that only we were raising hand in the class to maintain the discipline. If you are raising the hand, teacher is able to understand, and one by one teacher gives chance to the children. So this is very important that you should raise your hand to maintain discipline in the class. Now next is be regular and punctual. My dear, for education it is very important to be regular and punctual. One question I have to ask: if your teacher is not coming, how you feel? You feel bad? You don't feel good? Like that only, if you are not coming, your teachers also feel bad. First thing is this. Second thing is this: if you come regularly, every day, you learn some new things from your teacher, from your book, from your friends, every day. If you are punctual, it is very easy to manage a class, because everyone have came inside the class. Everyone will open their books and copies at same time. Everyone will start their work same time, and same time they will complete also. So it is very easy to manage the class if you are regular and punctual. And it is a rule of your class to be regular and punctual. See, complete the work on time, because there are different periods and we have to work according to the periods. So you have to complete the work on time, because for one subject we are getting only 40 minutes, and you have to complete the work. Teacher will explain also, give the work also, and you will have to complete it within the given time schedule. Okay? Next comes talk in English. My dear, why you are told to talk in English? You will have to understand these things. English is a global language. It is globally accepted all over the world. If you are moving from your country, I know all of you like Hindi because Hindi is our mother tongue, isn't it? But when we will go outside India, there if we have to communicate, we should know any language, and English is the one language which helps us to communicate with people worldwide. That's why it is told to talk in English inside the school premises, so that you can learn a good language. And I think you all are very good learner, my dear. Now next is when teacher is talking, students will listen quietly. Okay, and this is the most important thing. When teacher is teaching you something, you should listen quietly and you should grasp it. Then only you will be able to give the answers properly inside the class. Now these were few classroom rules. Beside this, there are more rules also. You should be presentable, means you should be in proper dress, you should be neat and clean. Each week you have to cut your nails, your hair should be tied in proper way. So there are many school rules, classroom rules, and you will write any 5 classroom rules in your class, and you will first write HW and date in the corner. Beta, in many copy I am watching that date is missing, HW and date. You do the work but you don't give date, but you will give here date also. You will give the heading and then you will write here. Your handwriting should be very neat and clean and presentable in the class. Thank you, my dear. Thank you.